AI layoffs, financial fear, how to stay calm when everything feels uncertain. Be honest with yourself. When you see layoff news, does your chest tighten a little? When you hear AI replacing jobs, do you feel slightly insecure even if your job is stable today? The uncertainty is tiring, and most professionals are not talking about this openly. In cybersecurity, automation is increasing fast. AI tools detect threats faster than humans. But here is the truth: automation does not eliminate humans, it eliminates outdated skills. Fear without upgradation is dangerous. But calm adaptation is powerful. When fear increases, people react in two ways. Either they overspend to escape stress, or they freeze and stop investing completely. दोनों extreme गलत है. Stability comes from balanced response and not panic. Layoff headlines activate survival instinct, but leaving constant survival mode damages health. In cybersecurity, continuous threat mode reduces performance. Human brain भी वैसा ही है. Chronic fear reduces clarity. Spiritual detachment does not mean carelessness. It means my identity is bigger than my designation. If my role change, I still exist. अगर designation change हो जाए, मैं खत्म नहीं होती. This awareness reduces panic. If 2026 feels uncertain, do four simple things. Upgrade one skill every 6 months. Maintain emergency savings. Avoid heavy long-term liabilities. Spend 10 minutes daily in silence. Skills, savings, stability, silence. This is modern security. AI will grow. Markets will fluctuate. Companies will restructure. But clarity is still your responsibility. Don't let headlines control your nervous system. This is Amrita Gadakar signing off with Clarity Beyond Salary.